Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Coffee with Great Wealth Strategies. I got my cup of Joe right here, filling it up for you all. Hopeful that you will fill up other folks' cups by passing this video on, liking it, sharing it, and getting it out there. Today, we're going to talk about the mundane life insurance. It's really death insurance, but it's also a very leverageable instrument to use in your financial toolkit. So. I'm going to go over some stuff with life insurance that I think is going to be pretty interesting to you all. So hang out and check this out. So a lot of people, especially some older folks or folks in some financial issues right now, are not sure if they need as much life insurance or are finding it difficult to pay the premiums right now. And it's very tempting for those folks to consider cashing in a policy. But I want to encourage you and do some research, but think twice about that. The main reason for buying life insurance is to make sure your loved ones are financially secure in the event of death, no matter the state of the economy or health of the financial markets. That's what's important. However, life insurance offers other advantages as well, particularly related to taxes. And then leverage with these, as well as using it as your own bank. You can find out a ton of that stuff on the website. But whole life insurance has many built-in tax advantages. The cash value accumulates tax deferred. I'm not sure if anybody knows that, but beneficiaries generally pay no income tax on policies proceeds. You may want to consider speaking to your attorney about whether to create an irrevocable life insurance trust to own the life insurance, which is, in my opinion, a pretty daggone good idea. There are some downsides. So a major downside to surrendering an old policy is that it will result in income tax owed on the amount you receive that is in excess of the premiums you paid over the years. That money is now taxed at ordinary income. But there is an alternative, a major alternative, and you should be doing this all the time. At least I can't say should. I personally do this, but you want to be able to access the policy's value without surrendering it. And how you do that is through a loan, not a distribution, but you take out a policy loan. Interest will be due on the loan, but repayment can be deferred until a later date. If a loan is still in effect upon your death, the loan and the accrued interest will be repaid from the death benefit. It's also important to keep in mind that the policy loan will decrease the cash value and have an impact on your policy's performance and future dividends. Another option is to convert the policy to paid up status. That way, you won't owe any more premiums at all, but you really need to consult your financial advisor before taking any steps with your whole life policy, as this may involve a reduction in the death benefit or income tax consequences possibly. So other options also include surrendering the additions in the whole life policy. These are additional amounts of insurance that you purchased using dividends over time or by surrendering part of the policy. However, you should consult once again with your financial professional before doing so, as there may be, once again, tax consequences. So what I would recommend folks to do, and I've got it on the website and I've got it there for a reason, is check out the bank on yourself. Own your own bank, fire your banker. Any of those little links right there really dig into a whole lot more insurance. There's some great videos provided by some folks that I personally use within my wealth management strategies. I would highly recommend going and checking those out and just learning more. It's all educational. It's all just a great big education for you, and nothing costs any money. You can very confidently sign up to get some ebooks, to get some videos sent from some of these folks that I work with. They've been so generous to offer my members that are on my website, that information completely free. So this is something really everybody should be taking a look at. And I appreciate your time today. And I just want to say thanks for joining us at Coffee with Great Wealth Strategies. I've got my cup of Joe, filling it up for you, and hopefully you will share this information, dig a little bit more, get educated on this for what you don't know, and definitely share this with other folks. But thanks for joining us, and have a great one. Bye-bye.